Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw sales data from Zoho Books, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Zoho Books and sign in to your account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Reports section on the left sidebar. Click on Reports to expand the options available. Select Sales from the list of report categories. You will see various sales report options. Choose Sales by Customer to check sales data organized by customers. The report will load, showing you a summary of sales transactions. To adjust the date range, click on the Date filter at the top. Select the desired start and end dates for your report. After adjusting the date range, click Apply to refresh the report. To view specific details, click on the customer name in the report. This will open a detailed view of transactions for that customer. You can also export this data by clicking on the Export button. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or Excel. After selecting the format, your file will begin downloading. Once downloaded, locate the file in your Downloads folder. You can now open the file to analyze the sales data further. Continue to navigate through other sales reports for more insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.